Today we learn about ECMO circuit, and so this is a baby with severe pulmonary hypertension and not responded to nitric oxide. Then baby was connected to ECMO. So let us know about ECMO circuit. So as you see here, you have this child has two cannula here. One cannula is dark in color, you can see that dark color. The other one is bright. The dark color one is connected to interjugular vein where the tip is in the right atrium. You can see the bright one, what you see here, it is the carotid artery. So carotid artery is cannulated and the interjugular vein is connected. Okay. Now the blood from the interjugular vein, that's from the right atrium, it's coming here. So you can see that the dark blood, and this is going into the chamber. This is called centrifugal pump. The centrifugal pump has inside blade, and this blade is connected to a motor. This is connected magnetically, and it spins. Actually, it spins in such a way that you can see that here also you can see the spinning will cause, if you see here, there will be circular movement of the blood. You can see the circular movement of the blood here, very near to that. This spinning of the blade helps actually the flow to happen because there is a pressure difference across this. So that makes the blood passing through this and then going here. So this is the blood which is not oxygenated. This is from the right atrium. This will come to a chamber here, and this chamber is oxygenation chamber. If you see where the oxygenation happens, this has got three connections. If you see this oxygen chamber where is connected to this pump through this line where deoxygenated blood is coming to this chamber for oxygenation. Second thing is, if you see this green one is connected to the blender. This is a blender, and oxygen is coming. So this is a deoxygenated blood. Oxygen is coming, and there is a, you can see this heating cable here, and you see the heating device set at 36.5, and this is called heating exchanger. So heating exchanger, the oxygen, the inflow blood which is getting oxygenated. Once this is oxygenated, if you see, it is actually coming into the aorta. You can see the bright one. This is how it happens. So this is called as the one which is coming back to the heart into the aorta is called as return cannula. The cannula which is carrying the dark one from the venous into the system is the drainage cannula. And again, this pump, what we are seeing is depending upon what is called as revolution per minute. This is called as revolution per minute, where it is fixed at around 2000. And what you see next to that is the flow of blood in the circuit. Okay. And also you can see very next to this, we've got two important areas. This is actually the one, this acts like a minute ventilation, where if you keep on the higher side this liters per minute, that will cause more carbon dioxide removal. So as the baby's carbon dioxide improves, you have to come down. So it's on the minimal dose. This is the FiO2 requirement here. This you have to adjust depending upon your PaO2 or SpO2. So this is in brief. And also remember another important thing in the circuit, always this circuit is connected to the oxygen and air should be connected, and always the plug, it should be plugged. There should not be interruption in the electrical supply. So that means, in the nutshell, if you look at three important pointers here, one is the pump, that is the mechanical pumper. Second is the oxygenator. Third important thing is the heating device. These are three important points you need to remember in an ECMO circuit. Thank you so much.